Watch this morning. Growing fears as a critical life-saving drug that treats most childhood cancers is in short supply.
And now doctors are warning they may soon be forced to consider rationing doses. Eyewitness News reporter Jan Carabeo joins us live here in the studio with the details. Jan.
Jim and Janelle, good morning. Doctors say rationing this drug is just unacceptable. They say it could cost lives and put them in an ethical dilemma, forcing them to choose which patients get treatment. So now doctors are recommending impacted patients and their families start sending emails and letters to the FDA for help.
15-year-old Lily Aldred has battled acute lymphoblastic leukemia since January, relying on the chemotherapy drug vincristine for treatment. Lily's mom fears missing even one treatment could be extremely detrimental.
It can throw a kid into relapse.
Vincristine is now in short supply. This summer, the pharmaceutical company Teva announced it would stop making the drug due to business reasons. Teva was one of only 2 suppliers of the drug, which has no alternative.
This is really going to cost lives if we don't act as a nation to solve this problem.
Dr. Robbie Hanna is the director of hematology and oncology at Cleveland Clinic Children's Hospital. He says shortages of vincristine will force doctors to choose who gets treatment.
We feel it is unethical to be in a situation when we have to rational drug and say this is the family, this is the cancer that need this medication, or this is the patient who needs it.
Since 1963, vincristine has been critical in treating most childhood cancers, including leukemias, lymphomas, and brain tumors. Pfizer, now the only supplier of the drug, says it's scaling up production. And while Lily's cancer is in remission, her doctors say she still needs a final round of chemo to prevent a relapse. Her mom hopes a shortage doesn't interrupt that treatment.
If you don't understand where us as parents stand, come walk the halls of a children's oncology unit, and you will understand why this is so important to us.
There are now social media campaigns by concerned parents, and the Children's Oncology Group, which is made up of leading experts in the field and chaired by a professor of pediatrics at CHOP, has issued a call to action so shortages like this do not happen again. Still, even with Pfizer now ramping up production, the FDA says shortages of this life-saving drug are expected until December or January. Any shortage for these people is unacceptable.
Oh yeah, this is life or death
Absolutely.
situation.
Yeah.
Thank you, Jan. Appreciate it.
Thank